Yeah, can I have your name please?
Swapnil.
Could you tell us about the features of this bike?
Right. Firstly, it's an electric vehicle with a top speed of 80 kmph. 0 to and it's the quickest scooter in the market today, which means that it goes 0 to 40 in 3.3 seconds. It is faster than even most 150cc scooters in there. So the acceleration is mind blowing. Beyond that, it's also a smart scooter, which means that it comes with a touchscreen dashboard. We can have a look at that. LED lights in the front and rear, all LED lights. Front rear disc brakes, 12-inch wheels, alloy wheels, which means that you get the most premium experience of riding any two-wheeler. Right? Next is obviously the ride experience itself. How you can go through the traffic, how you can brake, being like front and rear disc brakes, how you can take a really sharp braking, how you can accelerate really fast and get away from traffic or on signals. Then comes the dashboard. If you could look at this.
What is when you talk about electric vehicles, the future? How could you elaborate about this electric vehicle as far as the petrol vehicle bikes are concerned?
Sorry, can you repeat?
How could you differ from petrol as well as in front of electric?
I mean everything. Like you're starting from the cost of riding and the maintenance. Maintenance is negligible for these vehicles. The cost of petrol is
What about the power charging and all?
it is the most powerful scooter out there. It doesn't matter. It's much powerful than any electric.
One charge, how long it takes and kilometer mileage?
Right. It will go about 80-85 kilometers in one charge. Obviously depends on how you ride the vehicle. But it can go up to 85 kilometers in one charge.
Tell us about this concept the bike has about the apps, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and all. Right. Tell us about these features.
Right. So this is the first vehicle which has included 4G connectivity in it, which means that the vehicle is always connected. It is connected to internet, which allows us to do things like navigation. It's a smart vehicle. So what you see as a dashboard is you would have to bring it.
Oh, yeah.
So what you see on the dashboard, it's a touchscreen dashboard, which means that you can access all the features. Like you have things like navigation, like how you have a navigation on your phone. You have a navigation on the vehicle itself. So you can push the navigation from your vehicle, from your phone, and then you can just look at the navigation on the dashboard itself. You don't have to look at your phone. It makes it very convenient.
And what is the cost of this bike? How many variants are there?
There are two variants. There's a 450 plus and there's a 450X. 450 plus is about 1.25 and 450X is about 1.25.
What is the warranty of this motor or battery or what it is?
It's 3 years is the warranty.
For battery?
Yeah.
Okay. Replacement warranty?
Entire vehicle.
Thank you.
So what happens once the bike is charged and if it doesn't use? What happens?
So if you
Charge the battery for bike and if you are not using it, you just
nothing will happen. Sorry? Battery will slowly drain, but it's negligible. We've not seen any battery replacement yet. It's been 3 years, 4 years, the vehicle has been there in the market, we have not seen any battery replacement. So battery costs are continuously coming down. So it's very difficult to predict what 3 years, 4 years down the line what will be the battery cost.
Could you explain some features about this?
Right. So if you see this is a touchscreen dashboard. You have your basic features which you have on the vehicle, which is your how much is the range left, how much is the battery percentage. You can change modes, economy, ride, sports and walk mode. So in different mode you get different power from the vehicle. Walk mode is the most powerful feature of the vehicle, most powerful mode. And you have other things like your odometer, how much you have traveled, trip, total ride, current ride, trip A, trip B, those sort of features. Then you have navigation, which is the most coolest feature on the vehicle, which means that you have the complete navigation on the vehicle.
Connected to the phone.
No, it has nothing to do with phone. It's an independent navigation. It has nothing to do with your phone.
You don't need anybody's SIM card or connected or something.
Everything is there on the vehicle. You don't need to worry about anything.
Okay.
All that thing is there on your vehicle, and you can just put your navigation wherever you want to travel. You can
And
just
it
put
will show you the right path.
It will show you the
You just need internet connection for this.
It is there on the vehicle. You don't have to do anything.
Okay.
You don't need internet connection on your phone. You don't even have a phone. Doesn't matter. The internet connection is on the vehicle itself.
As far as servicing concern of this vehicle, as far as of apps and all, how to be upgraded and all?
So we provide over-the-air updates for the vehicle. It could be anywhere between once in 15 days to once in a month or so, which does everything from adding features, fixing any issues which could be there with the vehicle. We have been continuously adding more and more features on the vehicle, more modes, more smart features we have been adding. There are features like auto indicator cutoff, which means that once you take a turn, the indicator will just cut itself off. You don't have to switch off the indicator once you take a turn. Those sort of cool features are there.
Till now, what has been the booking for me? How has been the process as far as booking?
We have had a lot of interest. We have started from Bangalore, so we have had a lot of interest from Bangalore, and then we have been expanding to multiple cities now. We have seen a great interest, and after the new subsidy, the interest has even risen quite a lot. So we'll look at talking about our numbers at the end of the year.
Thank you.